spot weld cutter set. Sure, let's try it.
Won't hurt. Probably better than trying to grind them off.
I haven't used one of these in a long time. Quickly drills out spots on fenders, doors, etc. This one?
Sure. So you don't actually drill through the fender?
No.
You just drill through the...
I didn't really hit center.
I mean... should get most of it. Okay, let's see what happens. There you go.
Thanks.
Super safe.
Not sure what else is gonna work. Especially with a broke off tooth.
Go faster. Oh. Oh no! Are you down to one tooth?
There's 2 teeth left.
It's the hillbilly spot cutter. Oh.
One.
Down to one.
I think we started off with a tired bit.
Yes. It wasn't Nick's fault, is what he's saying. What brand are those? China?
Advanced tool design.
Oh,
Whatever that means.
China. Is that your pry bar?
Slash chisel. No?
There's perfectly great chisels in the toe box.
Oh.
Yes. But I'm sure that works just the same.
That one has a handle. Riding.
You going for a ride?
Good girl, Lena.
Good girl.
Good girl, you shot dog. Hey. Garbage?
That looks wonderful. It's not even a ring on the fender. We're trying to take off the skid plate so we can do a black engine bay
More sanding.
and possibly do that skid plate in a different color. Not your Milwaukee.
What did you do?
It's kind of flat on
Oh,
an angle.
It's twisty.
Yes.
Wow.
I think
Let me at it.
you can use the Makita. Oh, is that why it's twisted? Because it was a Milwaukee bit and a Makita?
Yeah.
It would just sooner break
Yep.
than be in a blue impact.
That one's also a little more twisty.
Oh my! What did you do?
That one's no good. The Milwaukee has a little more torque, so they're really twisted.
They both twisted the same. I just knew when to stop when I knew it was going. You just
That one twisted before you.
You just didn't know when to stop.
Nope.
That is so bad.
That's not good.
PB Blaster's already out and did it strip?
No, it's just not moving.
What's the plan?
Mm-hmm.
We can let it sit in PB.
It's a flathead. So what I ended up doing was hammering a socket onto it. We'll see what happens. Low expectations.
Oh, maybe.
Well, it did something. It broke the screw.
Okay.
So the skid plate can come off. There's just going to be some threads in there now. 3 out of 4 is passing. A little mangled?
Actually, not bad. There's a.
Oh.
Well, she skidded there.
It's supposed to be dead in there.
Oh.
And on the other side? I guess they're matching.
It's a skid plate.
Hmm.
Is nobody paying attention, Lena? She's got both of her toys. Playing all by herself. Poor shop dog. Learn that. Oh, so you're not really drilling it all the way through. You're just drilling it most of the way and then bending the rest.
We may need to fill that.
Oh, in that little piece. Oh.
Cuts around the spot weld, and then you can grind the spot weld spoons.
So ideally, you just have
Little dots.
you just have dots to grind off and sand and get on your way.
We should call it night.
Yeah, it's only 12 a.m.
I've almost broken every single spot weld cutter.
Somebody has to work first thing in the morning.
I'm supposed to get up in like 6 a.m.
It's the Z disease.
Oh no.
You're crazy. You're crazy.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Lena.
So I came out this morning to start cutting off the rest of the brackets that Nick cut the rivets on. Got those taken out. We aren't gonna need those for the LS swap. And I'm gonna take off all the little tabs for the wiring harness, for the stock harness. The clips were a little worn out. We aren't gonna need them for the Holley Terminator X. The Holley Terminator X. So a lot of wires are going away, and we're just gonna switch out the clamps for some prettier clamps, because those ones aren't very pretty. So a little bit of grinding. Just trying to get ahead while Nick's at work. Go Makita. Dang it. I almost made it the whole engine bay without putting a hole in it, and it's very sad. I think I know how to weld, I suppose. So I'm very excited to have that part done. Now we can move on to more exciting things, maybe do some engine work, do more race car stuff that isn't finished work. So it's the weekend, it's Friday. Time to go to work. Now I'm late.